Hi, hi guys, good afternoon teacher and partners. A sad moment in my life, death of my mother. The death of my mother is something we'll never forget. It happened in a short time ago, 3 years ago. She was very keen and caring woman. I meet her every day. She was beautiful woman. Last month is what my baby and misses her so much. Yesterday I'm dreaming of her because it is her. The loss of loved one is very painful events. We smart or live forever. Thank you for your time. Bye bye teacher. Bye bye partners. Thank you.